Hey guys, welcome again to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to clear your catch or cage. I don't know how you call it. So yeah, I already have the app, but then we're gonna go into Play Store because I know the cage takes up so much space, and yeah, that could be used for something else, but cleaning it one by one takes up so much time and energy. So this is an app that you're gonna use. Let me see. Android. I forgot to check the name. But anyway, it's Android Assistant. Okay, I'm sorry. It's Android Assistant. It's Android Assistant. Let me delete that. Okay, and there we go. So you're gonna install this app. It has to have this logo, okay? So don't make any mistake. I'm not updating mine because the latest updates are just not good. Not good for me. But then it might work for you. So we're gonna go in there. So we're gonna go onto the tools section, and then there you go. There's clear catch clear. Catch. Is it catch or cage? Whatever. But and then it'll give you a list of all the apps that got at least 1 GB of cage, and then you click select clear selected, then you click OK, and then you go down, scroll down, then you go onto Android Assistant, then you toggle that, allow, then it's on, and then you click clear selected again, and it'll automatically clear your cage. But I want to show you something. Like sometimes it does this. Let me show you real quick. So okay, look on the right. So what's gonna happen is that sometimes when you clear your cage, it won't work. It'll exit the app. For people who are using phones with 1 GB RAM, right, you should close all background apps, and yeah, just try to make sure that your phone is clean and doesn't have anything running or too much apps running in the background. I'm just gonna remove these other ones just to like not make a long video. So I'm gonna clear that. And just like that, it didn't work. You see, it's because I had too many apps opened at the same time. So just try to avoid that. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys.